Hey guys, my name is Erichu and today I will show you AFTERSHOT effect which I use in my edit Wake Up. This effect is considered as a thing which will make your edit stunning and just improve your parts of your edit. And I would like to start off by saying that to create this effect you will have to have BCC and Sapphire plugins included in your Sony Vegas. Let's start with the first clip. You have to add flicker, then you want to add Dizzle Shake. Also don't forget about BCC Colorize, and another one will be Pinch and Bunch, and last but not least BCC Lens Blur. We have 5 effects and this is all what we need right now. So you can copy my presets. I use them almost in my every single edit from 0 to 354. Then Dizzle Shake. I will use my presets as well. So this is how we should have it. It's a pretty good start. Then colorize. I use this one. I think at least. Maybe not this one, but I think so. And how to set this effect? Basically you start from 100 and put the 0 to the very end. And go like 10 frames or so and set it to 100. Then it will create this cool colorize change, but we will get to it later. Now pinch and punch. This is very important to every single shot, and I always use this effect in my edits. Always, like almost in every single shot. So let's set it to fast, go 4 or 3 frames, and set it as 0. Slow, fast, just a regular shit. And last but not least, BCC Lens Blur. I use my preset SIG, which you can already see. And let's start with this. Go, I don't know how many, like 10 frames again or so. And yeah, we're done with the first clip basically. I will show you the result. Yeah, this is very nice. And let's continue with the second clip. To the second clip, we have to make sure that we add almost the same effects, but there will be a slight difference. So let's start off by adding lens blur, then of course flicker, well then shake as well. These 2 effects probably are the most important to every single edit. And then BCC prism, I will show you later what it does. And this should be it, maybe. Okay, and last effect will be pinch and punch. This is all what you need. Yeah, I forgot one effect, colorize, of course. Yeah. So now we have it here. It may seem kind of weird, but if we uncheck every single shit and then check it, it will be just nice. So starting with lens blur. As I said before, just copy my settings. Flicker. Now we have to make sure that it's not just shiny, but it creates color. So just do something like this. You can play with the settings a little bit, but just don't over affect it. Let's start at 2000. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 frames, 0 or 1 actually, and the amplitude will start at 1000 as well and go to 0 immediately. Of course we need to add shake as well as before, short shake, just easy shit, nothing special. BCC prism, this is probably the most insane part. You don't have to add this, but I sometimes add it. So what you basically do is 0.6 frame it and go, I would say 5 to 10 frames. I will go like 7 and then set it to 1 and pinch and punch, same as before, fast, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 0. Okay, last but not least, colorize. Don't forget about it. We used the pre-shit, right? Wait, right here. Okay, and again, mix with original, start at 0 and go 10 frames and go to 100. Okay, and we should just have it. And one more additional effect you can use. It's not actually called effect, it's considered as a photo, or like it's not effect basically. So yeah guys, this is the end of the tutorial, and let me know in the comments which effect I should use next time. Thanks for watching and see you soon.
It just doesn't matter. Maybe now, yeah, maybe now. Busy